Friends, welcome to Rapid General Awareness. Today we are going to see the current affairs for 11th of June. So let's begin. Gomati Marimuttu was recently banned for 4 years by which agency? So she was banned by Athletics Integrity Unit. Okay, now Gomati Marimuttu is an Indian athlete. Okay, and she has been banned for 4 years. Okay, this can be asked that for how many years she is banned. So she is banned for 4 years and she is Indian athlete. Which state government has cleared Cow Slaughter Prevention Amendment Ordinance 2020? So this has been done by Uttar Pradesh government. It is basically to prevent cow slaughter. Okay. What is the theme of World Accreditation Day? So, World Accreditation Day was observed on 9th of June and the theme is Accreditation, Improving Food and Safety. Alexander Shustov of Russia has been banned for 4 years. He is related to which sport? So, he is related to high jump. He is a high jump champion. Okay. And keep in mind that Alexander Shustov is from Russia and has been banned for 4 years. Okay. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Gargo International? So, Sonu Sood has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Gargo International. Ministry of Home Affairs reconstituted a committee to look into the welfare of the freedom fighters. Who will head this committee? So, this committee will be chaired by G. Kishan Reddy. Okay, he is the Minister of State for Home Affairs. Okay, and Union Minister for Home Affairs is Amit Shah. M-Pay's payment system partners with whom to have contact-free ATM cash withdrawals. So, M-Pay's payment system has partnered with MasterCard. Okay, India is the second nation to do so. Okay. Which country will launch first coal trading platform? So, this platform will be launched for the exchange of coal. Okay, and it will be launched by India. Okay, Minister of Coal is Prahlad Joshi. Which state have launched Panchvati Yojana for rural senior citizens? So, this has been launched by Himachal Pradesh government. Okay, it is basically to promote and develop gardens and all for the senior citizens. Okay. Who chaired the Committee on Development of Housing Finance Securitization Market in India? So, this committee has been constituted by RBI and will be headed by Harsh Vardhan. Okay. Which Indian institute has topped in QS World University Ranking 2020? So, this ranking has been topped by IIT Bombay. Who among the following has been appointed as the Senior Director of Google Cloud India? So, Anil Valluri has been appointed as the Senior Director of Google Cloud India. Okay. Who has been appointed as the Judge of Jammu and Kashmir High Court? So, Javed Iqbal has been appointed as the Judge of Jammu and Kashmir High Court and Governor of Jammu and Kashmir is Girish Chandra Murmu. India assured to reconstruct 56 schools in which country? So, India will reconstruct 56 schools in Nepal. Okay. Which company has partnered with United Nations Development Programme and Hindustan Coca-Cola Beverage Private Limited for plastic waste management project named Prithvi? So, Rekikal has partnered with UNDP and HCCB. Okay, and the name of the project is Prithvi. You have to remember this also. Okay friends, that's it for today. Please like our video, share with your friends, and if you have not subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe it to get the daily notification of our daily current affairs, as well as we come up with the weekly current affairs and some special videos also. So please subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.